do create your first drone record in Dronedesk, you can either do that via Assets in the left-hand menu and Drones, or you can do it straight from the dashboard by clicking the plus on the Drones panel. So that will open the drone form. So just enter a meaningful name that'll make sense to you, because it's that you'll select from when you're creating a job. Select the manufacturer, and we have most drone models built into the system already. You can add a class mark here if you want to. Printed serial, the date on which you acquired the drone, the operator ID or other identifying marker on the drone, depending on your jurisdiction. You can at this point enter a starting flight minute, so you've already got flight minutes recorded using that drone. Then you can set a starting flight minutes, and then that will be added to any flight minutes that you record within Dronedesk for this drone. So I'll save that as our record, and that's our drone created. You could at this point also, if you're flying DJI, go to the top right menu to connect your DJI account, and that will enable flight log syncing into the system. So top right menu, settings, integrations, and then in the DJI cloud panel, click connect. And then you'll get a confirmation that your account has been connected okay. So that's it, your first drone created and your DJI account connected.